Hey, what's going on, y'all? Thank you for joining me in my YouTube video, right? So this isn't a food vlog. This is more of a if you want to shoot music videos or anything with your iPhone. And every year iPhone comes out, and I show people that you can do so much with what you have already. You really don't need to spend too much on gear unless you want to take it to that next level. But in the meantime, though, I got the iPhone XS Max. This right here is a beast. I'm gonna do a review on it later, but for now I just want to show you what I just shot. The artist that I shot is DJI Valdez, R&B artist, dope man, one of my favorite artists right now. But I shot this in low light conditions, pretty brutal. But I tell you, man, the results, you're about to watch it right now. I did minimal color correction. I think I raised the shadow a little bit, but for the most part I shot everything in 4K, and I got some great results. So check it out. Oh, and if you were to buy this though, make sure, I'm gonna show you what case to get, because you can just pop it on a steady cam or something, right? You got to get the Pitaka. This is made out of Kevlar, I believe. So this is really useful. Throw it right on there, offers great protection. But I'm gonna show you the video right now. Check it out. It's great music. Y'all gonna love this, right? Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Follow the artist, because you know I really support his work too. So follow him, and just enjoy the music. Let me know what you think. All right, peace.
I want you. What I gotta say to get you next to me? I'll shut you out, no doubt. Exercise your love, but you ain't sweating me. And the mood is right to do you like you never had it done, baby. With every move I make, you pump the brakes and push me away. Up until today, you would always wave goodbye. Now you're gonna change your mind. Now I got you. I got you like hell yeah. I got you like hell yeah. Now you always take my time, and now I'm always on your mind. Now let's work it out. You got me like hell yeah. You got me like hell yeah. Hell yeah. You got me like hell yeah. Use the time it to get lost, girl, ignoring all my calls, like you're scared to get involved, baby. Now I got you like yeah, yeah. Now I got you like hell yeah. Now you rockin' with the best. Now your head is on my chest. Now you're dodging all your friends. Now emojis on the text. Now we hit the town and flex. Now you never second guess. Now I got you like hell yeah, yeah. Hell yeah. You would always wave goodbye. Now you're gonna change your mind. Now I got you. I got you like hell yeah. I got you like hell yeah. Now you always take my time, and now I'm always on your mind. Now let's work it out. You got me like hell